Colorful zoo. Hi kids! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute rainbow together. We're starting by drawing our first cloud. This cloud will be the beginning of our rainbow. Let's draw it nice and fluffy. Now let's draw our second cloud. Great job! Now we have two clouds. We're going to draw a rainbow that starts from the first cloud and ends at the second one. Rainbows have 7 colors, so we'll draw 7 layers. Let's carefully draw each layer one by one. Now that we've finished drawing the layers, it's time to start coloring. Let's color the first layer purple. Our second rainbow color is blue. Let's fill it in. Next comes turquoise for the third layer. Wow, the colors are looking so pretty. Now it's time for green, our fourth color. Let's color the fifth layer yellow. Such a bright and beautiful yellow. sixth color is orange. Let's color it in. And now, let's see our last rainbow color. It's red! Let's color the final layer red and finish our rainbow. What a colorful and happy rainbow we've made. See you in the next video, kids. Bye-bye.